Hey, it's Kelly with your A1 Minute brought to you by the Virginia Video Network. It's only November, but one Charlottesville area pastry chef has landed on the naughty list. Or rather, Team Naughty. Charles Zimmerman, an executive pastry chef at Farmington Country Club in Albemarle County, is one of a dozen bakers from across the country to be selected for season 12 of Food Network's Holiday Baking Championship. The winner of the culinary competition, which airs at 8 p.m. Mondays on Food Network, will be featured in Food Network magazine and take home a $25,000 grand prize. Zimmerman, who has worked at Farmington for 5 years, said his competitive edge stays sharp thanks to the variety of tasks he needs to excel in at Farmington and his ability to function well in both team and individual settings. All right, that's it. You can read more on these stories and others by downloading the Daily Progress mobile app and get interactive with us over at Seville Daily Progress on social. We'll be back soon with another A1 Minute brought to you by the Virginia Video Network.